Hello everybody, Filozsofia is back. Today I would like to do a brief unboxing and overview of the Criterion release of the movie The Silence of the Lambs. This movie is by number 13, which is quite a good number for a horror psychological thriller. If we look at the outside, this is a Digipak. Comes in this cardboard sleeve. I really like the front cover art that also a little bit represents the original artwork with the moth, but hints a little bit of the psychological nature of the film with these bloody spots that look like those ink spots that psychiatrists use or psychologists to get into subconscious thoughts of patients. So this movie is by Jonathan Demme. It's from 1991. It's 118 minutes in color. This Criterion edition is the Blu-ray only, but this is a 2 Blu-ray set. So you get the movie on one disc and a ton of special features on the other one. So it comes with the original 2.0 surround soundtrack for the purists, and it also comes with a alternate 5.1 DTS HD surround master, and the video quality is a 4K restoration. The Criterion Collection is very special because they take the movie, the film, the actual film, and they rescan every single film cell, and they restore the movie from the scratch. And often these restorations overseen by the creators of the movie. Unfortunately, Jonathan Demme wasn't a part of it because he died. Rest in peace. But the director of photography, Tech Fujimoto, he approved the new 4K digital restoration. Also, about the special features, there is an audio commentary from 1994 featuring the director and Jodie Foster and Anthony Hopkins, also screenwriter Ted Talley and former FBI agent John Douglas. There is a new interview with critic Maitland McDonough and 38 minutes of deleted scenes. Wow, that sounds good. There is another interview from 2005 with Demme and Foster. 4 documentaries featuring hours of interviews with cast and crew, behind the scenes featurettes, storyboards, and a trailer. And also it has a very cool little booklet inside, which I'll be talking in a little bit. I am not sure if these special features were made for this Criterion edition, or are they just existing ones ported over. Of course, the ones with Jonathan Demme from 1994 and 2005, those definitely were available on other releases. But this is a nice little set. Everything is together. So that's the front. Here is the spine. You can see kind of the red, and the back. Oh, upside down, sorry. and we'll take it off the slip box, and we are greeted with this little Digipak. If I open it up, you get the moth picture again. Very minimalistic but strong effects. I like it a lot. And the inside is just more splatter. One thing they could have done that would be kind of a nice little addition, if they would put something under the discs, some little surprise, but it's just white under the disc, so it's okay. Has flashy, bloody disc art. And this is the little book that it comes with. Interesting, like here you can see that this is the splatter art, a different kind than this. This one is a little bit more detailed than this one. But if you know what you're looking at, you can still see the moth. Beautiful and thick booklet. In the beginning, you're greeted with an awesome portrait of Jodie Foster, and on the back, a chilling one of Anthony Hopkins, aka Hannibal Lecter. I like those when they have those full pictures. Here is another one of them. Very vibrant booklet, and here are the contents. Cast and credits, an introduction by Jodie Foster, A Hero of Our Time by Amy Tobin, Meeting Hannibal Lecter by Thomas Harris, Identity Check, an interview with Jonathan Demme by Gavin Smith, and some information about the transfer. Here I'm gonna just quick sneak peek through. Very nicely. As I said, I love when Criterions come in these actually thick booklets with a lot of extra info. That's why they say that a Criterion Collection movie is a film class in a box. So is it worth the upgrade? That's the question I got from subscribers. For me, it's a definite yes. I only had it on DVD before, and I've been waiting and holding off of upgrading it for the right time, and I think this is a very nice addition of this movie. And as far as I researched, the picture quality is superior even to the 4K, actual 4K ones on the streaming services. This has more details. I haven't watched it yet, so I can't comment on that. It will be interesting to switch back and forth between the soundtracks, the 2.0 or the 5.1. Some people prefer the soundtrack to be the original. I do enjoy 5.1 surround soundtracks, but I'm curious how are they differ as far as the atmosphere, which one will be giving the better vibe for the movie. This movie is definitely a classic, a masterpiece, and I think it's a great Criterion edition with all those little touches with the art and the Digipak and the booklet that makes a Criterion a very special edition. Please let me know in the comments below if you have The Silence of the Lambs, what format do you have, and how do you like your edition? Do you have the Blu-ray version? Do you have some other kind of special edition? Do you have the Criterion? Do you have more editions, more than one editions? Which one do you prefer? And if you are on the edge, I would say it's definitely during this, especially during this sale, it's a very worthy buy for anybody who is an admirer of cinema. Thanks for watching and commenting. Until next time, bye.